There it is. There it is. Fish on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Fish on, fish on. Oh, he's decent, he's decent. Oh, yeah. What is up, everybody? Caleb here, your host, and you're watching AZ Leisure Adventures. We haven't made a little video in a while. I've been kind of busy, but that's cool. But we are out here, and it is now fall here in Arizona. So I decided, you know what, I haven't been fishing in about a month and a half. Let's get out here. So the water is a little bit chilly. Actually, not too bad. Feels pretty good. High 60s, probably. Yeah, high 60s. So we're gonna hit up some bass. And here's the other thing. Huff, Damien was helping me get ready. I'm like, grab my pole. And he grabbed my trout, my like skinny trout pole, and it only handles like 4 to 5 pounds, and I got my little reel. So anyways, we're gonna try to bass fish it with it. There's some big guys in here. Hopefully we can land one and not break it. All right, wish me luck. Realizing that this was a left-handed pole, I had to switch it all around. So now it's time to fish. I moved over here to the island. Every time I've had luck, it's been right here. I just throw on some fresh bait. So. Dude, that's annoying. Can you use it loud? Gosh. Yeah. Fish on. Yeah. Little. Oh, I lost him, dude. You saw it. You saw it. Fish on again. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh man, it felt so good at first. Big old stick. Got excited over a stick. Oh, I think I had one. Fish on. Oh, really? Yeah. Woo, yeah, son. Right there. Boom, we did it. Not big. Little. All right. Not bad for the fall, though. Hey, this is the time they're gonna start biting. Ooh. All right, well, the first one got off. You saw it, he jumped, shook it off. Landed this one, you saw it. I said, I got it. He got off, he hit it twice. I believe that's what he did. Because remember I said did you hear me, Damien? Yeah. I was like, he's off, and then he hit it again. So the same guy here got slipped out of his mouth. All right, buddy, peace out, happy fall. Have a good Halloween. See you, buddy. He gone. Bam! All right. Get one here makes me pretty happy. This place is hard to fish. Dude, put that thing on vibrate.
Is that loud?
Yeah. You're ruining my fishing experience. Oh, I should try my jerkbait. Oh, it's too heavy for this pole, I can't. I need my other pole. See? There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, son of a... Nope, I still got him. 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 Yes, 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 yes. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, yeah. Come on. Yeah, landed. Two. No! Yeah.
Not even your pole.
Not even my pole. Wrong setup. Hey, you give a Filipino a fishing pole, dude, we make stuff happen. That's all I gotta say. All right? You give me string, and a hook, we catch a fish. He's about the same size as the last guy. Nothing impressive, but hey, I'm catching fish on a Sunday. Yeah. Two. Got about 11 minutes, we gotta go. I got about 5 minutes of tape left. So let's see if we can make something happen. It's not that we wanna go, we have to go because they close the gate. And then our truck gets stuck inside. There it is, there it is, fish on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Fish on, fish on. Oh, he's decent, he's decent. Oh yeah, he's a bigger. Ooh, the tape's about to die too. He's a nice one. Yeah, Sonny. Yeah, look at that bad boy. Yeah, buddy. 3. Later. Yeah. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching AZ Legend Adventures, guys. That was fun, huh? So you didn't land that one. Did you see it? Did you see it at all? Probably not. It's probably smaller.